Dear students, today we will start with exercise 12.2 of chapter 12, area related to circle. We will start with question number 5 because if you will do question number 5, you are able to understand all the concept involved in this exercise and you will be able to solve all the questions very easily. So children, in question number 5, you are given to find out in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtend an angle of 60 degree at the center. You are required to find the length of the arc, area of the sector, area of the segment, area of the major sector and area of the major segment so formed by that arc. So children, let's start. First of all, let us see what are these areas and length. So for in first part he is talking about arc length. So this length A to B, this length A to B, this is known as arc length. And now we need to find out the length of formula for getting the length of this arc AB. Children, do you know if I start from this point A, move along the circle and reach the point A once again, that means I am moving on the circumference of the circle. So this length of arc from A to A is the total circumference of the circle, and when I am moving like this, I am moving an angle of 360 degree. So that means if theta is 360 degree, arc length is 2 pi r. If theta is 1 degree, arc length will be 2 pi r divided by 360. And if it is theta degree, theta can be any angle. This in this question it is given 60 degree, but if you are solving other question, then theta will be given. So that means if it is theta, then arc length will be equal to pi r theta by 180 degree. So here you got the formula for the arc length, pi r theta upon 180 degree. Let us substitute the values given to us. So arc length for this question is equal to pi is 22 by 7, r is given 21, theta is given 60 degree divided by 180 degree. So when you will cancel each and everything, you will finally get that the length of this arc is equal to 22 centimeter. Let's find out the area of the sector now. Now what is the sector? The area enclosed between two radii, these two radii OA and OB are the radii and this arc. So the area enclosed between this portion, two radii and an arc, is known as sector of the circle. Here the angle is 60 degree and this side the angle is 300 degree. Therefore this is known as minor sector and this side is known as major sector. This is major sector and this side is known as minor sector. So now we will find out the area of the minor sector. Similarly children, if it is a complete circle, that means if the theta is equal to 60 degree, the area is pi r square. So if it is 1 degree, it will be pi r square by 360. And if it is theta degree, then it is pi r square theta by 360 degree. So this becomes the formula for the area of sector. Now let us put the values. So pi is 22 by 7, r is 21 and again it is 21. Theta is 60 degree and this is divided by 360 degree. Now cancel everything which is cancelling, each and every number which you can simplify, and you will get the answer as 231 centimeter square. Now children, you need to find out the area of the segment. Now what is a segment? The area enclosed between a chord and an arc. Chord AB and this arc is known as segment. Now this side the angle is 60 degree and that side the angle is 300 degree. So this is known as minor segment and this side is known as major segment. Chord and the major arc will make major segment and chord and the minor arc will make minor segment. So now we will find out the area of the minor segment. To find out the area of the minor segment, first we will find out the area of the sector. This is the area of the sector OAB, area of the sector. And if I subtract the area of this triangle from the area of the sector, you will get the area of this segment. So children, the formula for the area of sector is now known to you. You need to find out the area of this triangle. To get the area of this triangle and to understand it better, I have plotted this triangle here. This is the triangle OAB. So children, you know that the area of the triangle is half base into height. So for this I need the base of this triangle, I need the height of this triangle. So I drop a perpendicular OM here, and now in this triangle OMA I know only one side as radius of the circle R is given to me. So children, in this I will apply the trigonometry, and according to that, perpendicular upon base, the theta is here and in front of theta is perpendicular. Perpendicular is AM. So AM upon hypot, perpendicular upon hypot, perpendicular upon hypot is sine theta. Perpendicular is AM upon hypot is radius, that is equal to sine theta. Therefore AM is equal to R sine theta. Now if I will double it, because this side also it is radius, so isosceles triangle, altitude will divide the base into two equal halves. So that means to get AB I will double AM. Now I need to find out OM. OM is base of this triangle OAM. So if I apply base upon hypot, base is OM and hypot is radius. So base upon hypot, that is equal to cos theta, and theta is half here. Perpendicular is dividing the theta into two halves. So the total angle is given 60 degree. Therefore this one is 30 degree. So that means this is equal to cos 30 degree, and therefore OM is equal to R cos theta. Now find out the area of this triangle, that is equal to half base into height. Base is AB, which is double of AM, so it is half. AB, in place of AB I will be writing half half as it is, and I will be writing twice of AM, so it will be 2R sine 30 degree. And in place of OM I will write R cos 30 degree. So 2 R I have, one R is here, the other R is there here, and when I multiply them I will get 1 upon 2, 2 R square sine 30 degree cos 30 degree. Better it is to write down in your notebook yourself and you will get it. So children, now I am sharing one formula that you will be doing in class 11th, that is twice of sine theta and cos theta. Twice of sine theta and cos theta is equal to sine twice theta, sine twice theta, 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to sine twice the theta. So only these three numbers, 2 sine theta cos theta, will be converted into sine theta, but the angle that you will be taking here will be double of the angle you are having here. Both places with sine and cos you are having 30 degrees. So if you are replacing it by sine theta alone, it will become double of that. So 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta. That is why I double the angle here. So the formula for the area of this triangle is equal to half R square sine 60 degree, or you can say sine theta for if the angle is something else, but for this question we will be using half R square sine 60 degree. Now children, we will start with the solving the area of the segment. So area of the segment is equal to, sorry, let's move ahead and let's find out area of the major sector. As I told you that the area of the sector is pi r square theta by 360 degree. This time you are getting the value of major sector. So the angle in the major sector is of 300 degree. So in place of theta you will be writing angle as 300 degree, else everything is the same. So pi is 22 by 7, r is 21 into 21, theta is 300 degree now divided by sorry, this is 360 degree. So when you will calculate, I hope now I am a little so now it is, we are left with 2 more. So that means we will be cancelling this and we will get that the area is 1100 and centimeter square. Once again please check the calculation, children. Now let us find out the area of the major segment. Area of the major segment means area of the circle, and from this you will subtract this area of minor sector, minor segment. So this time we want to find out this area. So from the whole circle, if you will subtract this area of the minor segment, you will get the area of the major segment. So area of the major segment is equal to area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. So area of the circle is pi r square theta, pi r square, and area of the minor segment that you have calculated just now, that is r square by 2 pi theta upon 180 degree minus sin theta. Let us put the value and calculate further. So this is area of the circle is 1386 and this is the area of the minor segment that we have calculated. So this is equal to 1155 plus 441 square root 3 by 4 centimeter square. So children, that's all for today. We'll meet with the other questions of this exercise in my next video. Till then, keep practicing regularly. That's all for today, children.